this is video 1 of a 6-part series on step-by-step how to set up a YouTube channel for 2021 and beyond. I know there's lots of videos like this out there on YouTube, so I'm going to start by telling you how this series is different. I'm not just going to be teaching you how to set up a YouTube channel. I am going to be teaching you how to create a branded YouTube channel that really clearly tells your audience, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to deliver you so much satisfaction that you're not going to want to miss a single one of my videos. I didn't do any of this when I started my YouTube channel last year. I literally just jumped into the deep end of the pool and taught myself how to swim, which is kind of how I roll. Now I am setting up a second YouTube channel and I'm going to hit the ground running with everything I've learned in this last year. I'm going to be doing that for you guys over the course of these 6 videos, and if you just follow along, I'm going to set you up with a well-branded YouTube channel with a strong core message for your audience and very clearly tell that audience why they should subscribe to you in a way that's going to compel them to come back again and again and want to see your channel. Let's just jump into the first part of this training, knowing what you want that channel to be, getting an idea of the brand, of the message, of the content of that YouTube channel. So I have 3 real simple things that we're gonna do to reach this goal of creating our brand vision, creating our brand strategy, and our compelling message for our channel. The first thing is you need to know the look you want to have for your channel. We all know a great channel when we see it. I'm gonna throw some examples up here on the screen of channels that just look so good as soon as you land on them. They just look like they're taking YouTube seriously, they're clean, they're organized. So what I want you to do first is I want you to go and find 9 channels. I don't know why 9, it just feels like a good number to me. Start with finding 9 channels that you like the look of. I wouldn't even go into their content for this first step. Just look for channels that you like the overall look of. I've pulled up 3 of my 9 channels for you to see, and I'm just gonna walk you through what I'm talking about when I talk about branding and really clear message, really concise, really it gives me a feeling of like comfortable confidence. Like I can rely on these creators to deliver me what they're promising they're gonna deliver me. The first channel I have is this channel by Jules Acri. I'm not sure how to say that last name, so forgive me, Jules. Jules is the first channel that I really resonate with loving the look of. First thing, I love her banner. It just feels approachable. It feels clean, which I really love the clean look of, and it really tells the story right away of what her channel's about. Got a great profile picture that matches her banner image, so I like that. That again is just building that sense of trust with me about who she is. What I really love is a branded playlist. A playlist that is just so clear and further enhances the message of the channel. I'm excited by how she's presented that playlist, so that's like a good look little thing to remember. The other thing that is amazing when we look at her channel is it's really well branded with thumbnails. Like there's a cohesive, clean look. Gives me, kind of reassures me again as a viewer that she's consistent, she's showing up with the same kind of content, and if this is content I would love to subscribe to, I can feel comfortable and confident subscribing to her channel. And we're gonna build all of this for your channel over the next 6 videos, which is why I'm so excited as I build out my new channel to get to do this with you. Okay, the next channel is Sarah Ashley Spiegel. I really love her channel banner. It's really clean and easy to understand. I think that her picture coordinates really well. I love how she's done this again with the branded storytelling and taking this one step further, keyworded playlists for her content, which I love. So she's got a whole playlist for spirit and self, mindfulness, good keyword, self-love, good keyword. Her next playlist is essential recipes. So recipes is obviously a keyword. She's made sure she's added that in. Former chef and TV personality, a little bit of some keyword party type action going on in there. So she's giving me that title of what I as the viewer can expect, and she's backing it up with some concrete reasons why and keywords that are helping YouTube place that playlist where it needs to be. Again, the thumbnails all really work together. It's a good look for a channel. It's one of my 9 channels that I have on my list. Channel number 3, to just again review from this look perspective, I clearly lean towards a clean and simple channel banner. So Carrie, love her simple banner, love her simple beautiful image here on her profile pic, and again those well laid out playlists that really communicate to me what I can expect to receive from her channel. Nurture your home and garden. Dang, I even like how she said that, right? She could have titled that playlist like home and garden tips and tricks, but that's not making me really like excited and really feeling like an emotional attachment to that playlist. But the way she's worded it, nurture your home and garden, is making me feel an emotional reaction to that title. Like, yeah, I really want to nurture my home and garden, right? The other thing too, I will note, is that she's also utilized those descriptions of her playlist. So she's doubling down, she's getting in extra keywords, and she's really making me curious about that playlist, but also promising me as a viewer what I'm going to get. What's the satisfaction I'm going to receive from watching that playlist? You're gonna hear me say that so much in the next 6 videos. What is the satisfaction that the viewer is gonna receive? So write that down somewhere, use it as a guideline for creating your channel, because I'm gonna say that to the point that you get sick of it. So if you wanna make it a drinking game, go nuts. Tequila, coffee, I won't judge. Moving on. These are some channels that I'm taking as inspiration as I create the look and the foundation, the branding foundation for the new channel that we're gonna create together. We're gonna move on to step 2, and that is finding 9 channels that you like the content of. So you probably already have an idea of the content you would love to create. Now, if you don't, that's okay. For niching out my second channel, I'm really crystal clear about what I'm dedicating my time to for content that I'm making on that channel, and I'm also really clear on what is the satisfaction that my viewer is going to, I promise them to receive when they subscribe to that channel. So I know what that channel is about, and that makes it really easy to find 9 creators that have content that inspires me. So I'm gonna jump over to the first one and just show you what I mean. This is Joshua Congill. Love his channel. Again, he's got his own look going on for his channel. I've already decided my look. What I'm looking for now is content that really super inspires me. Another one of my inspo channels is Michelle B. I also, you guys, kind of love her branding. I'm not gonna lie. I love how clean her branding is. I love how, you know, nice and sweet she looks in her picture. I really love how clean her thumbnails are, but in reality, she is also still delivering that content that really resonates with me, like how to practice self-love, life-changing mindset shift. I love talking about mindset shifting. I think that's like one of the most powerful things in the world we can do. Resetting your life, changes to make it happier. So again, content that I really want to show up on my Mindfully Inspired channel. Another person who I'm loving the content of is this girl right here. She's again got that kind of spirituality, sort of motivation, sort of law of attraction type content. So that's one of the people that I'm feeling a little bit of inspiration on when I'm building out content list for my new channel. So go out and find your 9 people who are inspiring you on your journey of creating a YouTube channel that have content or are making content that kind of resonates with you. And one other bonus tip is maybe find 9 channels who are making thumbnails that you are just like, yes, I love that thumbnail. It's going to make your journey as a YouTube creator a lot easier. Thumbnails are forever my nemesis, and I'm committed with my new channel to really have some rhyme and reason with my thumbnails. So this channel right here, this lovely girl's name is Lana Blakely, and I am just in love with her thumbnails. They are just clean, they are just crisp. This is definitely a thumbnail look that I would like to create on my new channel going forward. forward. Video 1 is done. It's going to get you started on the branding and the look of your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you jump out, you find your 9 channels for branding and look, 9 channels for content, and 9 channels for thumbnails. Subscribe to this channel. Day 2 of this step-by-step plan is coming. So subscribe and click that notification bell. We'll be back.